Hey guys, this is Colin, Final Cut Bits. How are you doing? In this video, it's not primarily Final Cut Pro. It is a file structure that you do before you go into editing a project, okay? And I want to show you, this is like before step one in a way, before you start editing the project. And it's important you have your files really organized so you know where to find them and you know where to import them from and keep them in an organized manner. And I want to show you my file structure that I've learned over the years, and it keeps my uploads organized so I know where to find them whenever I want to look back at a certain video that I've done. Alright, so I'll just show you my process of creating a new video and what you should do too. It'll really help. And I made a template you see here, and I'll show you inside that in a moment. When I've got a new idea for a video, what I do is start with the title. So I put new folder and I'll put the date and then slash or 3, and today is March the 5th, so that's the date. And then I will put the title of the video, just a general title. Sometimes you don't always know the title, so you just put a general title to begin with the title of the video. Alright, so then you've got like one empty folder, but you don't want to throw everything in there, like including audio, video, music. You don't want to put it all in unorganized. I used to do that and it ends up like videos end up a right mess. So I've got a template folder here, which is already pre-done with the folders. Select all, copy, and go to that folder, Command V. Right, now it's done it. Just copied them empty folders, export. This folder is for when your video is finished and you want a place to put it in and export it to. So you point it towards this folder. Your original footage, that is from your phone, your video camera, you just drag the raw MP4 file or whatever file it is into this footage folder here. Alright, so that's my most used folder. Just want to say every folder I don't use for every video. It's just a good to have every category to cover every angle of your media that you're going to use. Okay, so MISC is just, I'm not too sure, I don't really use that. Must have had a reason though before. Music, obvious. If you got some music, I look on YouTube a lot for copyrighted music, non-copyrighted music that is, and ready for the, to start making the project. Screenshots, if I've got any screenshots I want to put in as B-roll into the video, put them in there. Thumbnail, this is interesting. Once a video is finished, then I go into Photoshop, I make some thumbnails, and I'll just go back. What I do is from the actual video, I will do some screenshots, right? From the video itself, I will scan it, and then I'll save the screenshots in here. Then I go into Photoshop, I make the thumbnail, and then when I've done the thumbnail, I'll export it into this thumbnail folder. Alright, so any voice clips, any dialogue, you can stick, just say you're doing you've got an audio recorder by the side, you're doing it, you recording audio separately, you can put your audio, like your Zoom audio, say, in here. So it just keeps your content nice and organized in every project. So once you finish, you can just go back into it and find your content easier, because if you're not organized at this level, even before you've started the project, you just end up a right mess on your computer, and you just end up, when you make a lot of videos, your library is a mess. And for the first couple of years of learning and doing videos, I had files and all files in different folders, and it was just unorganized, a right mess. So this is a good structure to have. I've learned this structure from other YouTubers that I've watched tutorials in the past, and I discovered I've settled for this, and it never leaves me wanting, really. So the most that I use is, of course, export, footage, music sometimes. I don't always have music in my videos, but it's good to have that. Screenshots, use that all the time for doing screenshots for the thumbnail. And then this is like the export, but for the thumbnail, you always like the final thumbnail, the PSD file goes in there. And the voice clips, of course, like I just talked about. So I hope that helps you, and yeah, this can apply to any video editing software before you do a video. This is a video that I have done in the past. Once you've your footage is all in the folder, ready for the video, I'll just select these, then drag them into Final Cut Pro and start a project and start working away, and then eventually end up with the export, the final video, the screenshots, and the thumbnails. Alright, so I hope that helps you, and you know, I just think there's something different to show you today. I get different ideas every day, and there's so much of little things that I could teach, and just things I've learned in the past, and I'll keep doing one video a day until the 30 days is up, and then I'll definitely keep this channel going, but I may like just make a few less videos and put more thought into them, make them a little bit longer, more advanced maybe, because doing videos every day is really hard to keep up with. So doing it every day is a challenge. I've got momentum, it's habit at the moment, but I am some days finding it difficult to just find the time, because I'm kind of doing other things, but I'm always finding the time to do these short videos, and you know, to teach you something every day, and that's what I'll do until the 30 videos is up. This is the folder for this channel, and I've got 19 folders. I've not dated these for some reason, but I've just put them like in numerical order. And this is video number 20, which I will create a folder shortly and put this recording into it, and then I'm going to create this video right now, put it on YouTube, and then you'll see it. Alright, take care, and hope you learned something from this. Drop us a sub or a like, you know, if you enjoyed this content, you've learned something, and it's a pleasure to have you listen to this, and thanks very much. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.